Hello, if you want to turn off your SIM card on POCO X7 Pro, then what you need to do is go to the settings. In these settings you need to go to mobile networks, and then at the top you will see your SIM cards. So let's say I'm gonna choose my second SIM card, and then at the top you will find the turn on option. You can tap on the switcher in order to stop using this SIM card, and then you will turn it off. If you want to turn it back on, then of course you have the same option again. You need to simply tap on this switcher. And in the case of the first SIM card, of course, you still have this option. Now, this option might be available only when you have two SIM cards inserted at the same time. So only if you use two SIM cards. So if you turn this off, or if you try to turn off, you might also see this information that this card is currently set as your default SIM. So if you stop using it, you won't be able to make calls and so on and so forth. You can stop the SIM card after setting another SIM card as your default one. And what it means is that we need to select, for instance, over here, default for calls. I think this will be it. No, not really. So let's go back over here. Let's see if we can find the option to, maybe we need to select actually all these things over here. And there we go. Now we can actually stop it. So in order to be able to turn off the SIM card, first the preferred options must be set to the other one. So now we cannot really disable this one because we need to have at least one SIM card turned on. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!